a check is encashed, not in the bank, but in fact the cash is brought directly to whoever is encashing the check. Oh, your manager's nodding.
Ay, iho. Pag nainis ako sa iyo, imumove ko ng site king contempt. Pati ikaw, madam.
Sorry, Your Honor. It is...
Huwag mong influence yung sagot niya. Ikaw ba, abogado niya? Eh kasi, yung ginagawa niyo, hindi niyo na nirespeto itong committee na ito eh.
Eh, niloloko nyo kami dito eh. Lateral pa kayo, hindi nag-resign. Huwag kayo magsinungaling dito. Papatanggal ko kayo for lying this committee. Man, please proceed na lang po habang hinahanap.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. My questions are for the former bank tellers, no? John Corpus and Lar Fortu. First time yung appear dito? Use your mic, please.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
You took the oath already.
Yes po.
How long were you a teller for Land Bank?
For me po, Mr. Chair, I think almost 3 years po.
3 years. Ikaw, Fortu?
Mr. Chair, for almost 4 years or
Almost, ano?
5 years.
Almost 5 years. Okay, so now the usual procedure in a bank is that when one makes a withdrawal or issues a check, di ba? The payee goes to the bank and endorses a check for encashment, correct? Tama? Mr. Corpus?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, now, how about checks issued by the provincial government? Ganun din po ba ang ginagawa ninyo? Na sila mismo pupunta sa bangko at doon ipapa-encash yung mga cheque?
I'm sorry po, Mr. Chair, pero as per OGCC opinion po, the question is very specific po. So, yeah, it is considered as a violation of the bank risk.
I'm asking about the procedure lang. It's not about the account.
Generally po, the procedure is ganun po.
Ganon, di ba? Even if it is the account of the provincial government. Tama?
Sorry, Mr. Chair, I can't answer
Kahit
po
na-
specifically.
Ano?
Hindi ko po pwedeng sagutin specifically. Pero generally po, ganun po yung procedure.
Yes, generally, di ba? For even if it's the provincial government, the municipal government, the city government, whenever there's a check to be paid, the pay goes to the bank and encashes it there. Tama? Use the mic.
Again po, Mr. Chair, generally po. Ganun
Generally, yes. Di ba?
Procedure.
Correct. Now, okay. So, there is no instance when it is the bank that goes to the provincial government to deliver the money for an encashment of a check. Walang instance na ganun.
Sorry, Mr. Chair, ulit po yung question.
So, walang instance na ang bangko ang pumupunta doon sa opisina kung saan ini-encash yung cheque. Not the other way around.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Wala. So never kayong nag-encash ng cheque. Really look at your manager. Ayaw niya. Ganun na siya eh. Kasi alam niya nagsisinungaling ka na eh.
Mr. Chair,
Well, let me continue. Let me continue first. I'm questioning Mr. Corpus. So again, I'll ask you again. Remember, you're under oath, Mr. Corpus. Walang instance na, a check is encashed, not in the bank, but in fact, the cash is brought directly to whoever is encashing the check. Oh, your manager's nodding.
Ay, iho. Pag nainis ako sa iyo, imumove ko ng site king contempt. Pati ikaw, madam.
Sorry, Your Honor. It is...
Huwag mong influence yung sagot niya. Ikaw ba, abogado niya? Eh kasi, yung ginagawa niyo, hindi niyo na nirespeto itong committee na ito eh.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Bakit mo tuturuan siya? Ano ituturo mo? Yung tamang sagot o yung maling sagot? I'm reminding you na pag nagsinungaling kayo rito, ipakukulong ko kayo. Hindi dito sa premises na ito. Doon sa Quezon City Jail. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Akop. Mr. Corpus,
Yes po, Mr. Chair. Yung process po kasi, the client should bring the checks po sa
Ah,
office.
okay?
Opo. Then, yun nga po, it will be in cash po.
Aha.
Kapan the completion of the documents, if
Ah,
okay po lahat yung procedure. Then, yun po, mabibigay po sa kanila yung cash kapag okay po lahat ng
sa
documentation.
opisina
Ah,
nyo or sa opisina nila?
Mr. Chair, meron po kasi kaming sa land bank po, it's possible po to deliver po sa clients upon request.
And that is precisely my question kanina. Ayaw mo sumagot eh.
Sorry po, Mr. Chair, yung pagkakaintindi ko po kasi is yung pupunta po sa office, then we will be the one who will get the checks. Pero wala pong ganun na process.
So,
So, na-misunderstand ko.
ano lang yung process nyo? Like, let's say, I still have to go personally to your bank and then you deliver the cash to my office. Pwedeng ganon. Oh, wag ka nang tumingin doon. You've been doing that for how many years eh? Come on. Ano? Corpus. No one will save you, no? It's just your answers here.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Anong yes?
The check po will be presented at the bank po.
At the bank.
Yes po.
And then you deliver the money to the office. Sometimes.
Sometimes po, if we are being directed po.
Okay. But in no instance, in no instance, dapat pwedeng i-deliver muna ang pera na hindi sumipot yung tao doon sa inyo. Dala-dala yung cheque. Tama?
Kasi po,
Just yes or no? Bawal na bawal ba yun na unahin nyo dala yung pera doon sa opisina bago ipakita ang cheque sa inyo? Dapat ipakita mo ng cheque sa inyo sa opisina nyo, sabi mo, before nyo dalhin ang pera doon sa whatever office that is making the withdrawal.
yes po, Mr. Chair.
Tama.
Yes po.
So lahat ng mga transaksyon doon sa land bank is walang transaksyon na nangyari na hindi binigay muna ang cheque doon sa opisina nyo bago nyo nirelease ang pera.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
And you will stand by that
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
under oath. No?
Yes po.
Okay. How about you, Mr. Forto?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ganon din ang nangyari sa inyo.
Yes po, as per general procedure po, mauuna po munang i-present ni client yung cheque before po namin ipaprocess. Masasubject pa po siya sa verification ng bank before po mag-start and before po namin
I-release yung pera.
i-release.
Either in the bank or in their office, depending on the instructions of the manager. Kung i-deliver natin yun doon, something like that.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, again, for you, in no instance did a withdrawal occur na hindi mismo pumunta yung payee, dala-dala yung cheque doon sa branch ninyo. Just before you answer, you have to remember clearly para sure tayo sa answer natin.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So sa lahat yon, personally present, nagdala ng cheque before nyo dineliver yung pera.
Mr. Chair, yung job scope ko po ay from the time lang po ng delivery. Pero as per general guidelines po, the checks are presented before the transaction.
What do you mean your job scope is just for delivery? What do you mean? What does it mean?
Yung job po, Mr. Chair, job ko po, Mr. Chair, as a bank teller ay mag-start from the time after ng checks.
After
The
na?
checks are where the checks na validate na po.
So you don't receive the check
They are presented po generally.
to you, right? As a teller?
I am just for the delivery lang po ako, Mr. Chair.
So your function is just delivering the
Yes
money.
po, Mr. Chair.
Same with you, Mr. Corpus.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So who's the teller that receives the check? Hindi niyo alam?
Mr. Chair, yun nga po, yung job description po kasi namin by that time po is only to deliver po.
Okay, nalilito ako. Okay, in a normal day, example, you're a teller, you're in your whatever teller booth that is, right? Correct? So somebody goes to you, gives a check, correct? So pay in cash ko to. Tama ba? Ganun ba ang proseso? O iba yung sa land bank? Kaya nga, there's, what? Don't look for at other people for answers because it's your function. You should know it.
Mr. Chair,
Go ahead, isa.
may I move that the former branch manager of Land Bank there be placed in another room while we're questioning the two former tellers of Land Bank? Kasi tingin ng tingin doon sa area na yun eh.
Oh, sa I say directed to escort Miss Lagundi to the other room. Ma'am, let me remind you, ma'am, kasi huwag niyo ubusin pasensya namin dito.
Okay, thank you.
Alam mo na tong dulo nito eh. Again, let me remind you, yung question of your privilege to invoke self-incriminating statements, titingnan po natin kung self-incriminating. If you stand by it, kami dito, we will move to cite you in contempt. Tandaan nyo yan. Ay, ito, bago kay chairman chairman Kit, tanungin ko kayo, ba't kayo nag-retire? Maaga. Tanyo pa eh. Ikaw, how old are you, Forto?
Mr. Chair, 29 years old.
29. Ikaw,
27 po, Mr. Chair.
27. Anong work of place mo ngayon? Saan ka nagtatrabaho?
Sa BSP po, Mr. Chair.
Nag-resign ka muna, nag-retire ka muna sa ano?
Transfer po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi retirement. Lateral.
Lateral transfer po, Mr.
Ikaw,
Same po, Mr. Chair.
lateral din.
Lateral transfer po.
Anong item niyo doon sa ano? BSP?
Currency assistant po, Mr. Chair.
Currency assistant?
Yes po.
Ikaw, Forto.
Senior Currency Operations Specialist.
O tayo, promoted pa kayo. Eto Eto. Walang personalan to. Walang personalan to. Pero habulin kayo ng committee nito sa BSP. Pag hindi kayo nag-cooperate. Naglateral pa pala kayo eh. Tapos promotion pa. Sa Bangko Sentral. BSP. Ito, you should cooperate. Ako, I just want to warn you.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
I just want to share an information to the committee. Unless the procedure has been changed already, but my first job was a checking account clerk. That was long time ago. Very long. Nonetheless, I can still vividly recall that the check is being presented to the teller. And then the teller endorses it to the checking account clerk for verification. Once verified, she gives signal to the teller to give money to the payee. That is the process. Unless it has been changed already, I do not understand why the tellers are claiming that their only job is to deliver the cash. Walang delivery ng cash unless a check is presented to the teller. Mr. Chair.
Thank you for that information, Vice Chair. Ito, before I give the floor to Co-Chair, Kit. Madam, yung mga taga-Land Bank, now you're lying. Alam niyo bakit? When we asked you about the presence of the two teller, yung Porto at saka Corpus, sabi niyo nag-retire na. You never told this committee na nag-lateral pala doon sa BSP. You lied. And that's on record. And that's on record. Madam GM, Vice President ka pala. That's on record. When the committee asked you about the presence of these two, sabi po ninyo, nag-resign na, nag-retire.
That's live.
You lied because this is your letter. It was signed by Maria Vilma Torla, Senior Vice President. Dito, apat na teller. Number 1, Bautista Tristan Roy. Number 2, Landbank Tugigaraw. Number 2, Bilaluz Victor Jr. Nandito yan. Landbank Tugigaraw. Number 3, Porto Anjolar. Resigned effective April 30, 2023. It's a different thing. Lateral and resigned. And you lie in this committee. Number 4, Corpus Mark Jan. Resigned effective July 30, 2023. Oh, this is your signature.
I'm not. Mabel turn lang, Your Honor.
Sorry? Oh, si Torla saan? But you know Senior Vice President Torla.
Yes. That makes-
Is he present?
Good morning, Your Honors. If I may speak for
Sandali muna. Is he present? Wala.
Your Honor, we have a letter addressed to the committee that excusing her from this
Why?
hearing because she has prior commitment. She has a board meeting right now
Yun.
at the
Madam.
UTPB. Your
Madam,
Honor.
but when the deliberations in the previous hearing, hindi niya sinabi. Nung tinanong kayo, sabi niyo resign, the same as dito. Yung pinirmahan ni Torla. That they have resigned. Both of them. The same date. Ano? Yung isa pala April 30. Ikaw, Porto, April 30. Tama?
Mr. Chair, effective May 5 po. On April 30 po yung ano na, yung na-serve yung resignation, yung
Kaya nga, April 30. Ikaw, Corpus. April 30 din.
Effectively po, August 18 po.
August 18.
Yes po.
O, yung
Mr. Chair.
appointment mo.
Yes po, because it's a lateral transfer po.
Kaya nga eh. You'll never resign, di ba? Kaya nga nagulat ako kanina, nag-resign yung babata nyo. Eh, pala lateral transfer. Eh, tanong ko, ba't nagpa-lateral kayo? Is it a promotion?
No po, Mr. Chair.
Oh, you applied for it?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Since when? Kailan ka nag-apply? Kayo? Ay, submit nyo ka dito yung application nyo for lateral transfer. Pakisubmit nyo ha. Because if you cannot submit it, we will set you in contempt. Eh, niloloko nyo kami dito eh. Lateral pa kayo, hindi nag-resign. Chairman Kit, please proceed.
Thank you.
I just want to warn you again, ha? Okay, magsinungaling dito. Papatanggal ko kayo for lying in this committee. I will recommend.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Hindi na contempt. Tanggal. We will recommend. Tanggalin kayo dito.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.